Hey guys, it's Rachel here with WTI, and this is the PoP Voice lapel microphone. If you're looking for a great microphone that is very affordable, I would highly recommend this one. I like that it came in a nice little bag, so it makes it very easy to keep organized. It also came with extra microphone covers and PC adapter, and I like that I had these really simple instructions to follow. Now, I love that this microphone is just so incredibly simple to use. I got it to make videos, to make recordings, and I like that all I need to do is clip it on. After that, I just need to plug it into my phone. I have it connected to an adapter for my phone, and that's it. So take a look and see how it sounds once I plug it in here.
So you'll notice that it's super sensitive, and it also helps to block out background noise. I just love that it's incredibly simple to use and it's nice and small. The cord for this is nice and long. It's 6 feet, so you don't have to be worried about staying incredibly attached to your device. If you're looking for a lapel microphone, I'd highly recommend this microphone by PoP Voice. I think it's really great and I like the accessories it comes with. And so far, I've been loving how it works. And that's my point of view.